Hey everyone, Charting Man Dan from ChartGuys.com. You know, behind every single video that we put out every single day, there's a wonderful community of traders that we want to invite you to be a part of. Try the free 7-day trial and gain access to our live market broadcasts every morning and afternoon, interact with hundreds of like-minded traders, or take part in one of our dedicated chat rooms, each led by an analyst that's there to answer your questions in real time. Our trial is risk-free with absolutely no commitment or credit card required to experience the TCG community. For those looking for a head start in technical analysis, check out our entries and exits course in the link below in the description. Get up to speed with the fundamentals of TCG technical analysis and experience over 5 hours of great community-driven trading education.
Hey guys, it's James the Chart Guys. It is Thursday, June 15th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. Again, once gold got this TCG bear cross on the daily, it was bearish. Confirmation by losing the 20 EMA here. We have the TCG bear cross where the 4 EMA crossed under the 8 EMA. Lost the 20 EMA yesterday. Back tested big rejections of those moving averages. And again, I said the 20 EMA and the 4 EMA lined up right there, which was a tough resistance to break. Now we're losing the 50 EMA here. And the next price support that we're going to watch for here is the low here of 1247.60. And then these price supports here at 1246.10, 1245.70. If we break 1245.70, not much support until we hit the top of this candle here at 1239.10, then 1237.40. Whoops. We do have this daily uptrend here, and we'll see if we go all the way back down to test that, which it did the last few times. 1, 2, 3. We'll see if we get a fourth test of this uptrend line, and then continue to move. So we are slowly moving back up from the bottom, but we'll have to play these TCG bull crosses as they've worked really well on the daily. Whenever the 4 EMA crosses the 8 EMA, bull. Whenever it crosses back down, bear. And one way you could say to play it is if it gains the 8 EMA on the daily, you can play it bullish. If it loses the 8 EMA on the daily, you can play it bear. And it's been pretty even keeled for these swings, and it's been in this pattern. So until it doesn't work anymore in this smooth pattern here, just like what oil's been doing, we'll continue to play it that way. As far as the miners go, again, senior miners first. We've been setting lower highs, high, lower high, another lower high here from this previous high, and lower lows, low, low. And so expecting us to go back, head towards back that way with gold following that pattern, potentially testing that uptrend line on that daily that I just showed you. So no position in the miners bullish until the at least minimum 4 EMAs gain. 4 EMA green line here, which is currently at 22.44, and it's going to continue to descend. Safer play would be to wait for the 8 EMA, which is currently at 22.66 and going to continue to descend. GDXJ, really same thing. One thing you see is that it back tested the 4 and 80 and 50 EMA. So you can see whenever there's all these moving averages converging in one spot, that's really a tough resistance to get over. And for bulls to push over these tough resistances, they need a much more volume. And you can see how minuscule the volume was compared to the bear volume that we had yesterday. So big bear volume yesterday, very little bull volume today. Back tested those moving average resistances, rejected. We have support, the low of yesterday of 32.15. We do have an inside candle. The high and low of the candles is from the previous day's high and low. So a bull break would be 33.23. Bear break would be 32.21. And again, the close is important. You can play the initial break if you want to, but would use a trailing stop or make sure that it is able to maintain that break. If it breaks above the inside candle, initially bullish, but then closes within the range, that inside candle is no longer in play. Let me see if senior miners had an inside candle. Don't recall. So no inside candle for senior miners. They already broke below yesterday's low. So showing more weakness than the junior miners. So have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.